Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some models in areas. The first one, the parabola y equals to 1 by 2 x square divides the circle x square plus y square equal to 8 into two parts. Find the area of the each part. Okay, students. So here first you can draw the circle. This is the circle. Okay. Now here when we are taking the y0, x equal to root 8. That means this is the 2 root 2 comma 0. This is, students, minus 2 root 2 comma 0. Okay, students. Similarly, when we are taking x equal to 0, this is 0 comma minus 2 into root 2. This is also 0 comma 2 into root 2. This is the y-axis. Okay, students. Now we can draw the diagram here. The y equals to given by, what is the y is? We can substitute in here the x square equal to y square 8. Therefore now we can y equals to x square. Y square is the x power 4 by 4 equals to 8. Okay, students. Why we are taking the 1 by 2 x square? 1 by 2 x square is the x power 4 by 4. Therefore now we are taking the LCM is the 4, x power 4. 4 into x square, 4x square. 4 8s are 32. This is minus 32 equal to 0. Now expand into the factors. That is x power 4. 8 4s are 8x square minus 4x square minus 32 equal to 0. Then it is x square plus 8 minus 4 into x square plus 8. Here we can write x square plus 8 into x square minus 4. Okay, students. Here first factor 0, second factor is 0. X square minus 4 equal to 0 and x square equal to 4. X equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, students, x equal to plus or minus 2. This is the point of intersection. Therefore, when we are taking x equal to plus or minus 2, this is, you can take 2. This is the minus 2. Okay, students, x equal to 2 and y equals to minus 2. Therefore, when we are taking x equal to minus 2 whole square is the 4. 4 by 2. That means here this is 2 undoubtedly. Therefore, when we are taking the 2, substitute 4 by 2 is the 2. Therefore, now I can put 0. This is x square equal to 4ay. Therefore, this is also passing through the, this is the parabola. This is also passing through the origin. Since put x0, y0, 0, 0. When we are taking the x equal to minus 2, y equal to 2. This is 2. Therefore, when we are taking x is 2, y is 2. Now here we got the two parts. The first part area, this one. Now we have to first find this area. After that, this area. Okay, students. First we find this area. How to find this area? This is the function circle. This is the function parabola. This is the line x equal to minus 2. This is the line x equal to 2. Therefore, these two curves are bounded by the lines x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. Okay, students, the required area. Therefore, now the required area equals to, The required area equals to the integral minus 2 to 2. The integral minus 2 to 2 y1 minus y2 into dx. Okay students, here y1 minus y2 into dx. Therefore, first we can take the circle. This is the circle. We can write x square plus y square equal to 8. That is y square equal to 8 minus x square. Y equals to under root of 8 minus x square. Okay students, this is the first circle. Now we can write integral minus 2 to 2 under root of 8 minus x square, the minus of y2. What is the y2 students? Y2 is the parabola. The parabola is given that the y equals to is given that 1 by 2 x square. Therefore, y1 is this one, y2 is the 1 by 2 x square into dx. Okay. Now this is, we can write both are even functions. Okay students, both are even functions. Therefore, this is the f of x. Therefore, minus x whole square is plus. Is there x square? Is there x square? Now simply you can write integral 2 into 0 to 2. Okay. Root of 8 minus x square minus of 1 by 2 x square into dx. Okay. Now first we can write the root of. How to write the 8 is? 8 can be written as 2 root 2 whole square minus x square. So first you can write this is, we have to compare with 2 into, this is compare with a square minus x square. That is, you can write x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 8 by 2 sin inverse of x by a, that is x by 2 root 2. Okay students, we can apply the formula of under root of a square minus x square, that is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. X by a is the x by 2 root 2. Now is there, how to write this one? Minus of integral x square integral is x cube by 3. 3 2 is the 6. Now we can apply the limits. The limits are the 0 to 2. Only we can apply the 0 is enough. 2 is enough. When you taken 0, this is 0 into 0. 0 by 0, sin 0, 0, complete 0. 0 cube 0. Therefore, we have to substituting only the 2. Therefore, 2 by 2, 1. 2 square 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Root 4 is the 2. Okay students. Now here 8 by 2 is the 4. 2 cancel. Therefore 1 by root 2 is the value of sin 45. Sin inverse sin cancel, pi by 4. Okay students. The next one is here minus of 2 cube is the 8 by 6. This is 2 4s are. This is 2 3s are. Now after here we can write the 2 into. Okay students, 4 4 cancel. Now we can write this is 3 2 are 6. 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 4 is the 2. 2 by 3 plus pi. Now we can write this is 2 into 2. 4 by 3 plus 2 into pi 2 pi. This is the first part area. 4 by 3 plus 2 pi is the first part. This part area. Now we have to find the other part area. How to find the other part area is, dear students, the given circle is x square plus y square equal to 8. This is the circle. Okay, this is the circle. Therefore, equation of the circle is given by x square plus y square equal to 8. This is we have to compare with x square plus y square equal to r square. The area of the circle, everybody know that pi r square. Therefore, the area of the circle is students pi r square. This is the area of the circle. R square is the 8. R square is the 8. You can write pi x square plus y square equal to r square. R square is the 8. The total area of the circle is 8 pi. This is the total area. Okay, students. This is the complete area is the 8 pi. Now we find the this part area. Just now we find that 4 by 3 plus 2 pi. Now we can write other part area is, yes students, we can write second part area. Therefore, this is the first part. Now we can write the second part area. Second part area equals to the total area is the 8 pi minus of the first part area is, you can, this is the common part, intersecting parts. This area is bounded by or enclosed by the two curves and the lines x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. That is our required area. But other part area is, we can write 2 pi plus 4 by 3. 8 pi minus 2 pi. 8 pi minus 2 pi is the 6 pi minus of 4 by 3. This is the each part. The first part 2 pi plus pi by 3. Second part area is 6 pi minus of 4 by 3. Okay students. Dear students, let us now start the second one. The area of the region x square minus x minus 1 less than or equals to y less than or equals to minus 1. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region enclosed by the x square minus x minus 1 less than or equals to y less than or equals to minus 1. Dear students, first we take parabola. That means, suppose we are taking the equal to x square minus x minus 1. This is students x square minus 2ab. We are taking into 2 by 2. And we take b square 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 4. This is sending to the other side. X minus 1 by 2 whole square equals to y plus 5 by 4. Therefore, this is the various forms, that means different forms of the parabola. This is compared with x minus h whole square 4a into y minus k. This is students in parabola. So, the parabola topic, this is you have to compare with x minus h whole square 4a into y minus k. Therefore, students, here the vertex is 1 by 2 comma minus of 5 by 4. This is the vertex. Okay students, this is the parabola. Okay. After that, another one is given that y less than or equals to, that means first we take minus 1. Dear students, here the one of the graph is y equal to minus 1. Another graph is y equal to x square minus x minus 1. Then we have to find the intersecting, that means bounded lines. Is here there is no boundaries are given that. So when the boundaries are not given, we find the point of intersection of the line and the parabola. Those point of intersection are the limits, that means boundaries. Okay students, those are the lower limit and the upper limit. Therefore, we are taking x square minus x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, x square minus x minus 1 sending other side plus 1. It will becomes 0. Therefore, students, here the x into x minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. These are the point of intersection of the line and the curve. Okay, students, here first you can draw the diagram. So 1 minute, here this is the 0. So when we are taking the minus 1, y equal to minus 1 is parallel to the x-axis. This is the y equals to minus 1 is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, students, y equal to minus 1 is parallel to the x-axis. Students, must be take x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Since here when we are taking x equal to 1, undoubtedly we can draw the graph. Y equal to minus 1 is this one. Now students, you can write the graph. Where is the vertex is the 1 by 2 comma minus pi by 4. The vertex is here 1 by 2. When we are taking, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is must be minus of pi by 4. Therefore, this is the vertex. This is the vertex. Okay, when we are taking x equal to 0, dear students, put x equal to 0, 0, 0, minus 1. 0 comma minus 1 is this one. This is the point of intersection. And one more thing, when we are taking x equal to 1, since x we got 0 and 1, those are substituted here. 1 square is 1, minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancel. Again, when take x equal to 1, y is also minus 1. That is 1 comma minus 1 is this one. So dear students, this is the parabola. Okay, this is the parabola. Now we are find this area. How to find this area? First we can write what is given, that y less than or equals to minus 1. The lines are below minus 1. All the negative numbers, big minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, these are all minus 2, less than minus 1, minus 3. Therefore, the lines are these are all. Okay, students, these are all y less than or equals to minus 1. After that, the one more graph is there, y greater than or equals to the x square minus x minus 1. So here, students, when we are taking, all of you listen here about what we are taking here, y less than 1 equal to this one. So how to write this one? Interior or exterior? How to check it is interior or exterior? So when we are taking here, suppose this y is sending other side, x square minus x minus 1 y, substituting the 0. Therefore 0, 0, minus 1, 0. Therefore undoubtedly the minus 1 less than 0. The minus 1 is less than 0. The position of the point here, I am substituting 0 comma 0. Therefore 0 is 0, 0 is here the inside of the parabola. Dear students, we observe here, this is the parabola diagram. This is the parabola. These are all inside points. These are the circumference of the that means lies on the parabola. These are the outside of the parabola. So what we are thinking here, students, here when you can substitute 0, 0, then it is the undoubtedly we got the minus 1. When it is a minus 1, the minus 1 is always less than 0. The position of the point in parabola, the p x1 y1 be a point in the plane of the parabola. The parabola is denoted by s. S11 greater than 0 lies outside. S11 equal to 0 lies on the parabola. S11 is less than 0, inside. Therefore here the all region, all of you dear students, we have to take all the lines are inside. These are all inside. But our common part is there here. This is our required area. This is the required area. Okay students, this area is bounded by the curve. This is the parabola. This is the line y equal to -1. These boundaries are, we have to know that one of the boundary, the y dash x equal to 0, other boundary is x equal to 1. Okay students, now we have to find that area. How to find this area? Okay, we are taking the limits are. Now find the area, required area is, okay, we have to take the required area, that is limit at x equal to 0. Okay students, limit at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. The first function is, this is the upper function, this is the lower function. That means y1 minus y2 into dx. Okay students, y1 equal to here minus 1. Therefore the integral 0 to 1, the y1 is the minus 1. Okay, after that y1 is the minus 1 minus of y2 is the function, this one, the function y2 is x square minus of x minus 1 whole of dx. Okay students, here the minus of minus plus 1, 1 minus 1 is the cancel. Now we can write the integral 0 to 1, the minus of minus plus x minus of x square dx. Okay, here we got minus of minus plus x. Therefore, how to find the area, that is we can write, therefore here this is, how to write this one? Here this is the integral of x is x square, integral of x is x square by 2. Now the integral of x square is x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 1. Now we can write 1 square is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3. We can substituting the lower limit, 0 by 2 0, 0 cube by 3 0. Now here the LCM 6, 3 minus 2 is the 1 by 6 square units. Okay students, this is the required area 1 by 6. Okay dear students, the area bounded by the curves y equal to x cube minus x and y equal to x square plus x. Students, please observe here. First we find the point of intersection, the boundaries of the given curves. Therefore that is x cube minus x equal to x square plus x. Okay students, first we take the x cube minus x equal to x square plus x. Therefore x cube minus x square minus of 2x equal to 0. Okay students, minus x square minus x minus of 2x. Now we are taking the common in these terms is x, that is x square minus of x minus 2 equal to 0. Then we can write x into, the factors are here, the x plus 1 into x minus 2. This is x square minus 2x plus x is the minus x. Therefore students, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 2. These are the limits. So these are the boundaries, minus 1, 0, 2. Okay students, first we can draw the graph of y equal to x square plus x, y equal to x square plus x. Therefore students, here first you can draw the graph of y equal to y equal to x square plus x. Therefore, the y equal to x square plus x. So, how to write this one? When we are taking y0 on the x-axis y0, that is x square plus x. X square plus x 0. Therefore, this is x equal x into x plus 1 equal to 0. By the wavy curve method, this is minus 1, this is 0. We have to know that by the sign scheme is plus, minus, plus. Everybody know that by the wavy curve method, we got minus 1, minus 1. Okay students, minus 1 and 0. This is a plus, minus, plus. So the above minus 1 always positive, 0 above positive. Dear students, first we take minus 1, 0, 2. Therefore, here the 0, this is we take minus 1, this is 1, this is 2. So, what we are taking here, the graph is when minus 1 whole square, all of you students, minus 1 whole square plus 1, this is minus 1. Undoubtedly we got 0. The above always positive. Just now the minus 1 above we got positive. Therefore we are taking the 0. Undoubtedly this is 0. But in between minus 1 to 0, the graph is a minus. The graph is must be minus. So is there. After that we are taking the 1. So above 0 plus, above 0 is the plus, but you can substituting 2. If x equal to 2, 2 square is a 4, this is 2, 6. This is we are taking some 6. Okay students, here this is when we are taking the 1 is the 2. Above 0, got the diagram, above 0 is positive. So this is the diagram passing through the 1, 6 is like this. Okay students, this is the graph of this one. So here we are thinking minus 1 below positive, in between minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0 negative, above 0 positive. This is the graph. Okay students, this is the graph. When we are taking, suppose minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 whole square is the 1 by 4, minus of 1 by 2, that is the 4. Now we can take 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4 is approximately minus 1.2. Okay students, now the another graph is there. What is the another graph? Y equal to x cube, y equals to x cube minus x. So on the y-axis x is 0. That means x cube minus x equal to 0. We are taking the x is the common. That is x square minus 1 equal to 0. X into x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we got x 0. Now we can write the way you can apply the wavy curve method. First you can write minus 1, after 0, after this is 1, we can write plus, minus, plus, minus. Therefore, dear students, we can write like this. So here, the positive between minus 1 to 0 and 1 above. And negative is the minus infinity. Suppose we are taking below, dear students, we can observe here, when we are taking the minus 1, this is the minus 1. Therefore we are substituting the minus 1. This is the minus 1 cube is minus 1, and minus of minus plus 1 we got 1. Suppose in between you are taking the minus 2. Suppose minus 2 whole cube is the minus 8. This is minus of minus plus 2. We got the minus 6. The graph is like this. First this one. Okay students, so minus 1 to 0 we got positive. Minus 1 to 0 suppose is positive. That means the graph is, we can take minus 1 by 2, that is minus of 1 by 8 plus 2. When we are taking the LCM is 8, minus 1 plus 4, 2 4 this is the 3 by 8. That means when we are taking here, this is right now when we are taking the 0, 0 minus 0, this is the 0. Okay students, now we can write the graph is y equals to x cube minus x. So again the minus 1 to 0 between is positive, 0 to 1 is negative. Therefore when we are taking the 1 by 2, undoubtedly we got this one 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8 minus 2. Therefore we got minus of 3 by 2 like this. When we are taking the 1 is this one. So here this is the 0 like this one. Dear students, 0 to 1 between is negative, but 1 above undoubtedly what is the 1 we are taking? 1 minus 1 is the 0. When we are taking the 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 6. Already we got the last one. When we are taking the 2, that is 2 square plus 2 square is the 4 plus 2 6. Here also we got 2 is the 6. Therefore this is the graph. Here students, this is the graph. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay students, this is one. So this is our required graph. Okay, now we can write this area, the area of this one. This is right now we calculate this area. Okay, the limits are students minus 1 to 0, 0 to 2, minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 2. How to calculate that area? Therefore all of you listen. So if you are facing the problem, we can take the table of the y equal to x square plus x, and we can draw the another table y equal to x cube minus x. So we can identify these regions. Okay, therefore now the required area equals to, first you can write the limit minus 1 to 0. Dear students, when we are taking the limits minus 1 to 0, this is the upper curve, this is the lower curve. The upper curve is here. Is a student, this is the graph of the cubic function. That is the graph of the cubic function. Therefore that is you taken x cube minus x minus of, this is the graph of we know that parabola x square plus x whole of dx. Okay students, now we can write the integral 0 to 1. What is the next one? Sorry, directly you can take 0 to 2. Directly we can take the 0 to 2. That is the 0 to 2 is here. The 0 to directly taken, this is 0, this is 2. In between 0 to 2, the first upper curve is the parabola, the below curve is the cubic function. Therefore the first we can take x square plus x. Okay students, minus of x cube minus x. Therefore we can write the integral minus 1 to 0, the x cube minus x square minus x is the minus of 2x whole of dx. Okay students, the integral 0 to 2 x, first you can write the minus of x cube. Okay, now here you can write plus x square, the minus of minus plus 2x whole of dx. This is students. So we can write here the integral x cube, we can write x power 4 by 4. This is minus x cube by 3 minus of x square. We can substituting the minus 1 to 0. Okay students, we can write here the x power 4 by 4. This is x cube by 3. This is x square by 2. 2 cancel. Now we can apply the limits 0 to 2. Therefore when we are taking the 0, this complete part is the 0. 0 0 0 0. Now the minus of 1 by 4. Okay students, this is minus 1 cube is plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Again we can substituting the 2, that is minus of 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is the 16. 16 by 4 is the 4. Here is there 8 by 3. This is plus 4. 2 square is the 4. Okay students, here this is 0 0 0. Now we can write 4 4 cancel. Now this is 8 by 3 plus 1. Okay, here what do you get here? This is minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. We got 8 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is the 7 by 3. Okay student, this is plus 1. 4 minus 1 is the 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now this is, we taking the LCM is 12. What is the LCM? Okay students, here 4 into 7 28, 3 into 3 9 by 12. This is the final solution. 28 plus 9 is the 37 by 12. This is the required solution. The 27 by 12 square units. So, and you can please concentrate here. The limits are very important first. And the wavy curve method. What is the use of here? Just you can verify the nature of the graph. That means the parabola in between minus 1 to 0 only negative. The remaining all places it is a positive. And the cubic curve is, we can check here the minus infinity to minus 1 is always negative. Minus 1 to 0 is a positive. 0 to 1 negative. Greater than 1 is always positive. That is our observation by using the wavy curve method. At the same time, when we got the point of intersection, undoubtedly the minus 1, 0 and 2, at the minus 1 x equal to minus 1, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 2, both curves value have same. Minus 1, they are intersecting. 0, 0 at intersecting. At the same time 2, 6, the both y equal to x square plus x and y equal to x cube minus x. At 1, 1, the y is at we are taking 1, we are taking minus 1, yes, those are 0. We are taking 0, both are get 0. We are taking x equal to 2, this is 6, this is also 6. That is also another observation. Okay students. Dear students, mod x plus mod y. Mod x plus mod y equals to 1. Okay students, here the plus or minus x plus or minus y equal to 1. Here we got the 4 lines. That is, all of you students here, the mod x plus mod y equal to 1, then the area enclosed by, here we are taking the first x and y axis. Here x plus y equal to 1, that is the first line. We are taking this is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, this is the line minus x plus y equal to 1, this is the another line, that is the minus x minus y equal to 1, this is the fourth line, that is the x positive, y negative, this is the 1. So this is form a square or rhombus. Every square is a rhombus also. We can write here students, when you can find this area, undoubtedly we can write the 4 times of. Therefore we have to know that in generally in straight lines we have to find this type of areas. 4 into 4 times of 1 2 3 4, 4 times of base into height. This is the base is 1, height is also 1, then it is 2 square units. This is the required area. The triangle, we have to find the triangle area, the area of the triangle AOB. Then it is the 4 times of the area of the triangle AOB, that is the 2. Okay students, 4 times of 1 by 2 into 1 into 1, that is 2. This is our required area. By the definite integral, we can write the required area equals to 4 times of, the limits are, this is x equal to 0. Okay students, this is x equal to 1. Okay, this is x equal to 0, this is x equal to 1. This is the line x plus y equal to 1. Y is 1 minus of x. Another curve is y equal to 0. This is the y1. This is y2. 1 minus x minus 0. 1 minus x whole of dx. We are taking the limits 0 to 1. Okay students, here the 4 into integral 1 is x. This is minus x square by 2. The limits are 0 to 1. Okay students, we got 4 into, this is 1. Now we can write 1 by 2. When you are taking the 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Therefore students, here 2 minus 1 is the 1. 4 into 1 by 2. This is 2. Okay students, this is the area of the complete region when the mod x plus mod y equal to 1 is form a square. Okay students, this is the area. Dear students, one of the very easiest one, the area enclosed by y equal to x and y equal to x cube. Dear students, first we take the x cube equal to x. X is the common. X square minus 1. X equal to 0 and x equal to plus or minus 1. Okay students, x equal to 0, minus 1, 1. So these are the point of intersections. So students, here the x equal to 0 is there. Undoubtedly, when we are taking the number line y equal to x, x above positive, x below minus. This is the wavy curve method. By the graph of y equal to x. Okay. When we are taking x cube, x equal to 0 here, this is 0. Sorry students, x equal to 0 means 0 above positive. When we are taking the x cube is there, how to write that one? X cube is also here, this is the cubic function. This is also plus and minus. This will be also 0 above positive, 0 below negative. Dear students, we can draw the graph. What we are getting, the limits are 0 first. After you take minus 1, this is the 1. Okay students, first we can draw the line. This is 1, this is 1. Dear students, when we are taking y equal to x graph, put x equal to minus 1, y is also minus 1. Okay students, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Substituting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. This is the straight line. Y equal to x. Now draw the graph of, okay students, draw the graph of y equal to x cube. When we are taking x equal to minus 1 whole cube, y is also minus 1. Dear students, when we are taking x equal to minus 2, minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 is this one. Okay students, therefore here when we are taking x equal to minus 1 by 8, therefore we are taking minus 1 by 2. This is also minus 1 by 2 minus 0.5. Minus 1 by 8 whole cube is the minus 1 by 8. That is minus of 0.1. Undoubtedly we got this one. Okay students. Now 0 0. After that when we are taking the 1 by 2. But when we are taking here 1 by 2 this one. But 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the 0.1. Dear students, we can observe this is the graph of the y equals to x cube. Okay students, this is the graph of y equal to x cube. Okay, understand? How to understand? Here when we are taking the 1 by 2, when you are taking the 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 2, 0.5, 0.5. But when x equal to 1 by 2, this is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.1. The 0.1 means below 1 by 2. This is the graph. Okay. Now this region we have to find this region. How to find the region? The required area. First you can write the limits 0 to minus 1. In between 0 to minus 1, the upper curve minus lower curve. What is there? The upper curve is, this is the cubic function. Then you can write x cube. Okay students, the lower curve is the straight line. This is x cube minus x into dx. Now we can write, okay students, here we can write the lower minus 1 to 1. That is, first you can take 0, just we have a mistake, minus 1, 0, 1. First you can write minus 1 to 0, then you can write 0 to 1. The 0 to 1 between, first upper curve is the line, lower curve is the cubic function. That is x minus x cube dx. Okay students, we can write this is, how to write this one? X cube is x power 4 by 4. This is minus x square by 2. The limits are minus 1 to 0. Similarly, we can write the x square by 2 minus of x power 4 by 4. The limits are 0 to 1. Okay students, we can substituting here. This is 0, this is 0. Now we can write this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is, we can write 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 4. Okay students, we are substituting the 0, it will be 0. 1 we are substituting, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Here also the 1 you can substitute 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 is the minus 2 by 4. Okay students, minus 2 by 4. Minus of minus plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the 1. 4 ones are, okay students, this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is the, okay students, 1 by 2 is the square units. 1 minus 1 by 2 is the plus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is the plus 1 by 2. Dear students, find the area between the two curves y equal to 7x and y equal to cos x. Area enclosed by, okay, any two consecutive point of intersection. Any two consecutive positive intersection. Dear students, any two consecutive point of intersection. Dear student, we know that 45, 45, those are 1 by 2. Okay students, simply you can write in between 0 to 2 pi, this is 0, this is pi by 4 and pi by 2, this is pi by 4. Okay student, first 45, 90, after that 90 to 180 between is there, 3 pi by 4, after that 5 pi by 4 is there, after that 3 pi by 2 is there. Everybody know that sin 0 0, sin 90 1, okay, sin pi 0, Okay students, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Dear students, sin 0 0, sin 91, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 0, sin 2 pi. Okay students, here we can write cos 90 0, sorry, cos 0 1, cos 90 0. Okay, after that cos 3 pi by 4 minus cos pi minus 1. Dear students, here cos 3 pi by 2. Here we are find this area. This is the point of intersection of two, the point of intersection. Okay, the area bounded by the y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x between any two consecutive point of intersection. Between any two consecutive point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. We have to find this region. So how to find this region students? We can observe in this region always above sin x. We can write pi by 4 to, dear students, proceed. This is pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 sin x minus cos x into dx. This is the required area. Okay students, this is the area of the two consecutive point of intersection of the curves y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x. Okay students, so you can complete this one. The answer is we got 2 root 2 square units. Okay students, this is today. I am requesting you all, please practice. Okay, please practice the areas. Okay, undoubtedly student practice the more number of times videos and reference books, then you will perfect in the areas. Only the success of areas, only the key to success is only the practice number of times only. Okay students, thank you all.